Hey y'all, so I am actually leaving work now, about to go get my eyebrows did. I want you guys to see what that looks like. It's dark in here, so you guys aren't gonna see too much, but this is a part of my Pamper Me week. So pretty much I just scored a huge social media management client, and I'm going to go ahead and treat myself. So a part of that is going to be getting my brows done. I'm just getting a brow wax and tint, nothing like super duper crazy, but yeah, I'm excited, and I'll show you guys the results when I leave. So these are the finished brows, and I just quickly wanted to, I'm all up in your face, show you what I did get at Ulta. I got this NYX butter gloss in the color creme brulee. That's what I have on right now. And then I got the Ordinary's multi-peptide lash and brow serum. So I'm gonna try this out. Per my lash girl, and I'll let you guys know how it is. But these are my lashes. I just got out the shower, but want to quickly show you guys what I grabbed. Hi you guys, I'm here to get my nails done. They look a little cray. So I'll show you guys the after once they are officially done. I'll probably show you guys a little bit of the process if she allows me to as well here at the nail cafe. Hey y'all, back for another day of pampering. Today, if you didn't guess, is going to be this hair. I'm going to get my hair done. My Soror does my hair, so super excited about that. Got me some bundles from pack hair. Got me some pack hair from Mylk by Ulta, and this is the start. You guys will see the finish. I'll probably try to get a little bit of her doing the content because that stuff takes up so much storage. I'm going to try to stop at Tim Hortons and grab me a morning drink. I probably should have left a little earlier because I do need gas, which means I'm gonna have to get gas after. And I was planning on meeting my husband at Cinco de Mayo. We're gonna meet up for some marks and tacos. So probably just have to stop right after, unfortunately, because I don't really want to be super late for my hair appointment. So I just quickly want to show you guys what I'm talking about. So these are the Mylk Outre 100% Remy human hair bundles. I got a 27 and I got a 1B. Last time I got the 1B in 30 minutes, then it was cute, but I'm like, I want to go a little bit lighter. So I'll let you guys see what that looks like. Peace out. So another part of the pampering day was I took the last 2 days off for mental health. So today I am going out for Cinco de Mayo with my hubby. Love you, babe. I just love how we just can kick it and hang out.
I love you too.
Hey y'all, so I just got done getting my toes done. So honestly that was about it, and what I'm gonna treat myself to do. You guys have kind of got to see me treat myself and do all these different things. You guys got to see me treat myself and get my nails done, get my hair done, hang out with my husband, hang out with my personal. So I mean, you guys get to see me do a lot of stuff. I did, and I might or I might not show you guys. I did also treat myself to some Cinco clothes because they were on sale. So only like 3 little items, but to me that was still treating myself. So I want to tell you guys why I treated myself and leave a quote about why I'm treating myself. Well, leave a quote and tell you guys why I'm treating myself. So treating myself because I got a really big client, probably my biggest social media client ever, going to be managing several different social media accounts for this person, well, these people. So definitely going to be making a lot more money. So there's that. So I told myself I was going to save like 60%, right? I told myself I was going to save about 60%. Then about 20% I was going to keep towards catching up on my bills. And then the other, I'm trying to think of my math. So that's what, 20, 80. The other 20 I was going to actually, I'm going to actually treat myself and go get pampered. So hair, nails, brows. So you guys also got to see me treat myself to brows. I forgot about that. So this has all been within 1 week. I took 2 days off of work to take some mental health days and try to get my brain back right together after graduation. Being a mom, being a wife, working 9 to 5, having a business is not for the weak. And I struggle with anxiety, so I have to give myself grace and give myself that space and that bandwidth to treat myself. So as far as the quote I want to leave you guys with is just always remember, you cannot pour from an empty cup. And you hear that so much that it becomes cliche, but sometimes when your cup is just like down to the last morsel, no more drops left, you literally have nothing else to pour. It won't even slide down the cup. It's not even going to make it. So Just think about that. Next time you're like, I don't have time for myself, I can't do X, Y, and Z. Think about that. Like, if you literally don't have that for yourself, how can you give that to somebody else? You can't. And whatever you have left to give to somebody else is not going to be your best. You know, and it's not going to be what somebody needs because you're all poured out. So take care of yourself, pamper yourself. You are important. Even if it's just taking a 10-minute walk in the morning or at the end of the day, you are worth that. Go do it. Go take care of yourself. And again, it's your favorite pretty girl peeps.